Scotty, what are you doing?
Okay.
Are you playing it with Anthony's adjusters?
Yes, correct. So
Ooh,
this
Daddy.
is the pieces that hold the cabling because you have to have them held in place.
Yeah.
And
of course, they didn't just pull the cables out like they should have.
Well, if they did, they would have broke all of this, and I'll show you why.
I meant on the other side.
Oh, yeah. So thank
people are...
God this is a good unit.
You're a good unit.
But...
Oh, wait. Mama. Say hi to Anthony. You know Anthony.
Hi, Anthony.
Yeah. Mama knows Anthony.
So we have to be really, really careful because these are held in with some thin pieces of plastic. And if you look right here, on those two, you can see how...
Focus. Oh, my God. Wow.
Yeah, you can see how thin they really are, so I've got to be extra delicate to not break them.
You're good at breaking things, not breaking things that are thin. Well, you break things often. Never mind.
You guys get the idea.
Yeah.
So, to do that...
What's this? Hold on, I can't see it.
Well, I have to get everything set.
Dumb nuts?
Come on.
Come here. No, you seem like you're a Boy George fan.
Come on.
This is like almost artistic. I just gotta keep moving because you keep moving. Oh, there you go. Ooh, look at that.
But you can only do it a little bit because then...
If you break it, it's effed.
You have to pull it out that way so you see all the notches.
Oh, yeah. And then you can pull the cable out.
Right. Straight up and out. There we go.
So now you got the challenge of getting the other ones out and not effing them up and then getting them back in here properly.
Exactly. So this is going to be...
It's a time eater, but...
Yeah. But it's got to be done properly.
We want it nice.
I got to be extra careful.
Dagnammit.
To show you guys the difference, ready?
Oh, it actually stays put.
You can hear the click.
Yeah, the other one's kind of wonky.
And the whole faceplate and everything moves on that one, so there's damage in there.
Now, I wonder if his little thingies are nicer and if we can swap them or...
I actually think these are better. So what I'll do is I'll be real careful when I pull everything out. Because you don't have to take the faceplate off.
Yeah, you just pop the whole unit. Yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4, slide over and out.
Bing.
But this is going to be where the problem lies.
Yep.
Because it's an absolute nightmare to do.
Look at Scotty being meticulous.
What is that?
That's the AC control.
That is your controls for defrost, feed,
I see.
stuff like that. And then you're off, but the air conditioning switch on the tracker doesn't work. So when you push it in,
you
it kind of comes out a little bit.
You have to push and hold it and hit it, and it's all wonky.
And this one is...
It's kind of like the one on the Escort, remember? It had the button.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I do.
It's the same deal.
Mm-hmm.
But this one's nice.
You can hear it, so it's in great shape.
And of course, they don't make just the switch, and no one sells just the switch. You got to buy the whole
Well, it's literally incorporated in all of this, so it would be...
It pops out.
But it's not one I want to do.
Yeah, it looks like it's a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Like, I would rather do these than mess with that.
Oh, yeah.
I made it. Boom. All right. We'll carry on, and we'll get
one more to go.
Oh, boy. Here we go. Mom, you want to watch Scotty's magic hands? Don't stab me, even though I know you want to.
Gently, 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 gently.
That was beautiful, actually.
There we go. There we go. What an absolute nightmare.
You're an absolute nightmare.
Well, you know how to make a hormone, right?
$20.
Don't pay her.
Oh, God. And with that,